Hi, my name is Fong from Mimaki, Australia. Today I'll be walking you through step by step on creating a 5-layer print using Adobe Illustrator and Mimaki RasterLink 6 Plus. To create a 5-layer print, you are required to have two images, a front image and a back image. The front image will be printed on the front side of your media, while the back image will be printed on the back side of your media. For this to work, we need to create 3 additional layers, 2 white layers and 1 black layer. With the Mimaki RasterLink 6 Plus plugin tool for Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW, this process is made simple. Simply click on the Create Multi-Layer tool icon, select 5 layers and then click on OK. Now this has created the 3 additional layers we require for 5-layer printing. We now need to export the image to RasterLink. To do this, click on the Multi-Layer Printing tool. A pop-up window will appear. Now click on the Output button. Select the hot folder of your Mimaki printer and click on Save. To find this folder, double-click on Local Disk C, go to MIJ Suite, go to Hot folder, and then select your printer. In this case, I'm using the UCJV300 demo. Then click on Save, and then OK. This will take approximately 20 to 30 seconds for the files to be saved. The file must be saved in your Mimaki printer hot folder for the 5 layers to be imported to RasterLink correctly. Your 5-layer image will be saved as 5 individual files in your hot folder. Once the 5 files have been saved, you can open up RasterLink 6 Plus. In RasterLink 6 Plus, in your message display of RasterLink, it will show the progress of the files being saved in your hot folder. At this point, there's 4 files that have been saved. Okay. Just waiting for one more file to be saved. Okay. Once all 5 files have been saved, you will see in your RasterLink job queue the 5 layers being imported into RasterLink. Once the files have been imported, in your job list it will display the layers, the 5 individual layers. Should be coming through very shortly. So once all 5 files have been imported, there is no need to rearrange the files or the layers. We can just go directly to Quality, select the type of media we want to print the image on, and then execute the print. So now you can see that the layers are coming through. Click on the image, click on Quality. Here you want to select the media, which we're going to be printing on transparent. Select the profiles, and you can change or select the resolution you want. Once you're happy with the quality you want, click on the execution icon. Click on Rip and Print and click on Start. RasterLink 6 Plus will now rip the image and send the print job to your Mimaki printer. This concludes the 5-layer print tutorial. Thank you for watching.